J30J cable, GPS connection cable, power adapter cable if needed, dual 8-element anti-jamming antenna. Connect the J30J cable to the anti-jamming antenna's J30J interface. Connect the J30J cable to the GPS connection cable. Plug the GPS connection cable into the K9 Flight Controller's GPS port. Connect the J30J power cable to the drone's power source via the power adapter cable or directly if connectors match. Connect Telemetry Radio 1 to the computer. Connect Telemetry Radio 2 to the drone. Power on the drone. Open the GCS control page on your compute. Click Connect, and select USB serial port. Select the Telemetry COM port. Set the baud rate to 115,200. Elect Telemetry Radio link and confirm. If the data reading updates, the connection is successful. Click the settings icon in the upper right corner. Click the diamond icon. Enter the default password, 9999. Select Serial Communication Parameters Settings. Configure Serial Port 8, GPS, 982, Parameter 1. Configuration complete.